This is ridiculous. We've been waiting over 2 hours. I'm starving.
I know. I can hear your tummy gurgling. For a second, I thought alien larvae might have hatched in your belly. Hello?
Your table's ready.
Finally.
Holy smokes. We'll be right there. Come on, Daphne, there's trouble.
But
Your tummy's gurgling.
Just trust me, there's no call waiting. Ugh.
Abby, are you all right?
Sure, just need a moment.
Thinking?
Ugh. Not unless you're thinking about the porcelain throne.
I guess she'll...
Insane. Keep going, Rat.
Sounds like Donaria's having some intestinal distress. Oh no.
I know what you're thinking. And yes, we do have more hot dogs.
Oh no, the yogurt! The yogurt! It's not working! Where's the bathroom? Dawn! Where am I supposed to... Oh no!
No!
¿Fuiste tú o yo?
las chicas no hacen esos ruidos.